prove that 1 is less than integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x over x dx is less than pi by 2. So this is the question. Proof. So here limits are from 0 to pi by 2. Therefore 0 is less than x is less than pi by 2. So if 0 is less than x is less than pi by 2, 0 is less than sin x less than 1. So now if we divide throughout with x, 0 is less than sin x over x is less than 1 by x. Now if we integrate it both sides in between the limits 0 to pi by 2. So integration of 0 to pi by 2, 0 dx is less than integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x by x dx less than integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 by x dx. So now this integration of 0 dx is 0 only, is less than integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x by x dx is less than. So this is integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 by x. So integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 by x, 1 by x integration is c. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 by x is equals to integration of 1 by x is ln x 0 to pi by 2. This is equal to ln of pi by 2 minus of ln of 0. They are approaching 0 from right hand side. So this is ln of pi by 2, some positive value. And if you are approaching 0, this is ln x graph. If you approach 0 from positive side, therefore 0 plus to 0, then ln is approaching towards minus infinity. Therefore this is minus infinity. It tends to minus infinity. Minus infinity minus plus infinity. The ln pi by 2 is some positive value. Plus. Therefore this value is equal to plus infinity. This limit value. So, but what we need to prove, 0 is less than integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x by x dx is less than pi by 2. So this is also true, but our requirement is not this. But we need to prove, 0 is less than integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x by x dx is less than pi by 2. This is our requirement. So to prove it, what you do is let f of x is equals to sin x over x. Now f dash x is equals to u by v rule x square into x cos x minus sin x. You take out cos x common, therefore cos x into x minus tan x over x square. So f dash x equal to this one, but our limits are what? From 0 to pi by 2 only. So here in between 0 to pi by 2, this f dash x in between 0 to pi by 2, the sine of this x square is anyways positive, this numerator, that is cos x into x minus tan x, this will be less than 0 in 0 to 5. That implies f of x is decreasing function in between 0 to 5. If f of x is decreasing function, then 0 is less than x is less than pi by 2. Then f of x is decreasing function, then f of pi by 2 inequality alters, changes for decreasing function. F of pi by 2 is less than f of x is less than here f of 0. F of 0 is indeterminate. That's why f of 0 is undefined. That's why limit value calculated. Here limit extending to 0 f of sin x by x. Since f of 0 is undefined, so this is f of pi by 2. F of pi by 2 will be what? F of x is equal to what? Sin x by x. Therefore, f of pi by 2 is sin pi by 2 by pi by 2 is less than f of x is less than limit extending to 0 sin x by x. That implies sin 91 1 by pi by 2 is less than f of x is less than limit extending to 0 sin x by x is 1. So this implies 2 by pi is less than f of x is less than. Now integrate in between the limit 0 to pi by 2. So if integrate in between 0 to pi by 2, integration of 0 to pi by 2 2 by pi dx is less than integration of 0 to pi by 2 f of x. One more step we will write here before integrating, because our f of x is what? Sin x by x. Therefore 2 by pi is less than sin x by x is less than 1. Now integrate in between 0 to pi. Therefore 0 to pi by 2, 2 by pi dx is less than integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x by x dx is less than integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. That implies 2 by pi outside, integration of dx is x, limits are from 0 to pi by 2 is less than integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x by x dx is less than integration of dx is x, limits are 0 to from 0 to pi by 2. So this implies 2 by pi into here, this is pi by 2 is less than integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x by x dx is less than pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus 0 is pi. Pi cancel. 2 by pi by 2 cancel. Therefore 1 is less than integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x by x dx is less than pi by 2. So this is what we need. Hence